Mayank Gandhi of the Aam Aadmi Party is debating tonight with Shaina NC of the BJP, and the BJP runs along with the Shiv Sena, the municipal corporation, the BMC, the richest civic body in India and arguably in the world. 27,000 crore budget, Shaina NC. Out of that, 2,500 crores is for health. The surplus in health is 110 crore, which means there is so much money that the municipal authorities don't know what to do with it. And there is a machine which costs 80 lakhs, which can potentially save, as of today, at least the lives of 1,000 children in Mumbai. For 4 years, this tender has been going on. For 4 years, the BMC, which your party and along with the Shiv Sena run, does not care. Why? Because children are not vote banks.
I think that's a terribly unfair statement to make to start with. I think service to humanity has to be paramount, and there's no question or disputing that we need to make sure that this waiting list reduces from 700. Now, the biggest question is, why is there this load on KEM Hospital? Everyone knows that for the cases which are so complicated such as this, one needs to make sure you have the best medical facility. KEM Hospital has been doing a phenomenal job.
1 second.
But having said that,
it's not about KEM Hospital. It's about, I want to simplify this for you. There is 4 years back in 2009, a tender is put out for a heart-lung machine. 2 years later, the process of, it takes 2 years. 2 years, the process of bidding and screening is completed. End of 2011, the tender is cancelled, new tender issued, right? End of 2011, again another new tender is put, which is also cancelled because there is only one bidder. 2012, and I'm telling you the bureaucracy, at every year hundreds of children are dying.
Isn't this a question
2012, the same process of issuing the tender, getting one vendor and scrapping the bid happened twice. Now, we are in March 2013, we are told now a new tender will be put. In the meanwhile, last 4 years, hundreds of children have died. Right?
Now
hundreds of children have died. Why? Because 80 lakh rupees could not be spent on time. Ridiculous.
Isn't this a question that you need to ask the administration and the bureaucracy as well? When
Who controls the BMC?
One moment. Is the administration and the bureaucracy independent of who controls the bureaucracy or no?
Who controls the BMC?
Clearly, there's no shying away from it to say that the BJP Sena is committed to saving the lives of children. But you need to understand the entire... Please let me, if you give me a chance, I just have my say, and then you can cross-question, try and implicate and say whatever you have.
No, I'm not trying to implicate, you are already implicated.
There is a budgetary allocation of 2,500 crores every year. 70% of this, unfortunately, is spent on just salaries.
I'm not even asking about that. That's pathetic, but I'm not asking about
it. It's a pathetic situation.
No, I'm not asking about
Why shouldn't the state government help? And help particularly KEM Hospital, Sion. Why not? There needs
please
to be a budget. One second, let me just
when will any politician in India take responsibility?
Nobody is not taking. I'm trying to say the services given at KEM are phenomenal, Arnab. I think we need to also understand that.
I am asking you today, hundreds of children are dying. KEM is a civic hospital, am I right?
Yes, absolutely.
And the BMC looks into the sanctions and transactions of equipment. That they procure, am I right?
Yes.
And the BMC is controlled by the Shiv Sena BJP alliance, am I right?
If you're trying to arrive at a petty political point,
I am not.
Then so be it.
I say nothing petty on my program.
I want to say that every citizen here is concerned about the lives of the children.
So
700.
Why was the 80 lakh machine not bought?
There is a tender process which takes
4 years.
place. Clearly, everyone is
4
questioning.
years.
I too am questioning the bureaucracy and the red tape.
1,000 children died.
I'm on your side here. I am saying the same.
No, you're not on my side because your party is in government. Power in BMC.
If you choose for me to be on the opposite side, let me please say what is right and wrong is wrong.
So you're wrong.
The question is that why haven't we got our systems in place? Today, you have people from Uttar Pradesh, from Bihar, from every part of the country coming to KEM Hospital for this specialized service.
This is not about KEM. There is no machines in that hospital.
But that's exactly what I'm saying. There is one machine and there is a waiting list.
Why are the machines not bought? Because the poorest children, because the children who have died, Shaina NC, are the children of the poorest of the poor. They are not influential people. If any influential person's child dies wanting a heart surgery, I can tell you heavens and earth will be moved to get that 80 lakh machine.
Exactly what you are saying.
But you see, no politician's child goes through what these children are going. They've died. You've seen the pictures in the Mumbai
understand
Mirror.
the work that
Arnab,
Mr.
the
Devi
issue here
Shetty
is-
is.
Yeah, okay.
The
please.
issue here is about governance. There is terrible governance in the BMC, and you all of us know that BMC is probably the most corrupt organization. You look at a corporator, the minute he wins, he will buy 2 SUVs. The amount of money in corruption, because all your governance, all the people who are ruling the BMC are more interested in making money rather than looking at these kind of aspects. I mean, this is shocking that it takes so many years, and you say 70% of the money goes for
want to
administration.
say-
Let
Is
her
this the
respond.
administration?
I am not
Is this the administration after spending 70% of the money?
That it's
If you
an irony,
cannot
it's
get
a
a machine,
question.
then what
It's
are
a
you
question
doing?
in everyone's mind.
It is a poor governance, and that governance is definitely because of the amount of corruption that happens in BMC.
You say it's on everyone's mind. If it was on everyone's
Can
mind,
I just say
if it was on
something?
everyone's mind,
I'd like
tell
to
me.
salute people like Dr. Devi Shetty.
No, it's not
who are
about
doing
Devi
an
Shetty.
incredible job. This
No,
is
what
a
is the
model that
government?
we need
No,
to
doctor,
implicate
we
here.
are
The point
tax.
is
Where
this-
is the tax money going? You see, Devi Shetty is doing what is commendable work. I am placing it on
Absolutely
record today
commendable, and
that
we
what
need to
Devi
learn
Shetty has
from that.
offered is outrageously. I do not have words to describe the work that he has done. That's not the point.
No, head should roll for the death.
I am
that have
asking
taken
you,
place.
Devi Shetty is not running his hospital on taxpayers' money, and still he is doing it. Taxpayer money is
I'll tell
there.
you what.
The money is there. Why is it not spent to save the children?
Arnab, I say that
The
head
money-
should roll for the death of the children.
You say there should be a criminal investigation.
Absolutely, there should be. This is ridiculous.
Do you back that, China?
Absolutely, there's
Criminal
no question.
investigation.
Of course, there should be, but we need to understand that.
And
in
is it
a
bad governance or
hospital-
what?
If I can just have one
Yeah.
sensible point to make, rather than getting into this who's governing and who's not.
But you are governing.
The
You are
point
governing.
is even if we understand the Herculean task in the municipal corporation, where you have an influx of people from every part of the country coming for these kind of services to the city of Mumbai, clearly there is a backlog, clearly there is a waiting period.
Why is
and
there a
nobody
backlog?
is saying,
No, 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 no,
nobody
no,
is
no, no,
saying-
no, no, one second,
We need to buy many such
one second,
machines. I'm not talking
China,
about one
last
machine.
7 years.
I am saying-
China, there is a backlog, and the backlog is because there is no machine.
Absolutely.
Why is there no machine? Not because there is
need
no
to be
money.
many
Because-
such
no, no,
machines.
no, no,
You
bad
have
no,
two
governance.
in Sion Hospital, you have two in Nair
No,
Hospital,
no, no, we are
and
talking of
unfortunately you have
KEM.
one
I am-
at KEM. When I talk about KEM, you choose to
it's
talk
not
about other
about
hospitals.
I am asking
this
you
is not
today.
about.
I'm
we
asking
have
you today.
other
This
options.
country always hears that we don't have money. We don't have money. We can't do things. Now you have 110 crores extra money. You have 2,500 crore budget. You have a 27,000 crore
Can I say
municipal
something?
council, and you have a list of 700 children whose lives can be saved tonight. As of tonight, if these machines are procured and a tender process of 4 years, I'm sorry, Shaina and
Absolutely,
a
I am,
tender
but
process
I'm
of 4
saying
years is
exactly
criminal.
what you are saying.
No, but why is it
This
not
would
being done? You are
be-
not on my side
the,
because your party is running the government.
One moment. The argument is clearly what you are saying, which is that why is the situation such
Yeah.
as this?
Yeah, why is
do
it?
we have a tender process
Yeah.
in the first place when we need to have at least 3 to 4
Yeah.
to 5 machines in
Yeah.
place?
Yeah.
There is a bureaucracy, there is
What
red
bureaucracy?
tape.
Why
We
does
need
it-
to
why-
question
no,
all of
I
this.
am
We
asking
need to
you-
question
no,
the
but-
entire system.
No, it's not about the
this
system.
is not
The
about me
politician-
versus
my-
I am
my
saying that
problem
we
is-
need to save those children.
No,
we
no.
need to come up with systems so that every single
Yes,
child
sir.
who goes to a government hospital or a municipal hospital gets the best treatment and in the fastest time. But we need
fantastic.
to understand
That
that there
sounds
are
very
so
good.
many.
Arnab, who's responsible? Let's get to the point.
Who's
All
responsible?
these talks can go on. Who's responsible and which head will roll? That's the question we want.
I'm telling you today, all these political parties which have shown all-party unity in defending, or who are those people out there? Those, the unacceptable behavior of those politicians who thrashed a policeman and are now strutting about.
Has it
One second,
also become
one second,
just
one second.
very fashionable to bash every
No,
kind of
you-
politician when a politician
No,
wants
the
to come and make a
politicians
just
sensible
bashed
point,
us.
Am I-
wants to say
One
that
second,
yes,
one-
there is a lacuna, there is a
One
problem,
second,
let's solve it, let's collectively solve it. You're getting into
I am
this
asking you
versus
today,
that.
am I saying something wrong? Is there not all-party unity in coming together and defending the act of beating up a policeman?
No
I want
party
to
has
know
done
whether there
that.
is all-party unity.
No, there
Of course
isn't.
there is.
There
Of
is
course
not.
There is
You
all-party
can-
unity.
You
on
can
that.
choose to be the spokesperson of most parties, but there isn't. What is
Isn't-
wrong is wrong and what is right is right.
Really?
We are switching from issue to issue,
Really?
but the point is that
So-
collectively...
Now, who's culpable? That's the
I
only
am
question.
asking you
For the
today-
death of the children, who's culpable?
I am saying, why does it, and this question goes out all across India, why does it take 2 years for India's richest civic body to complete a bidding and screening process for an equipment which can save the lives as of tonight of 1,000 people. As of tonight. Shaina, this is and the BMC, was it aware they did not have multiple bidders when it floated and cancelled 3 orders? Basic point is this, Shaina, I don't want to generalize. Politicians don't care unless their political interests are affected.
No, I don't.
No, the moment you feel this will be
political
of course
interest or non-interest. If it was, I wouldn't be here in the first place.
Well, of course.
Let me say something.
Without doubt it is.
Dr. Devi Shetty's institute is, I think, a model which we need to adopt. We need to adopt it in the country. You have over 35 surgeons there. How many surgeons do we have here? You have over 30 heart-lung machines. We need to have similar practices here. We need to have...
You don't divert the issue.
I'm not diverting. I'm saying what is factually true, what is what we need. We need to agitate for these issues. We need to take up all of this, and it has to be every single...
So why were children allowed to die? I'm asking you today, Shaina NC, I want to know today whether the politicians running the BMC, what they will say to the parents of those whose children died, whose pictures have been put out in the Mumbai Mirror. Why did those children die? Because the BMC did not care to get a heart-lung machine when it had the money and did not care.
This sounds excellent in a debate.
It doesn't sound excellent. It is the absolute fact.
No, the fact is that we definitely clearly need more machines.
No, it is not.
We need to strive towards that.
No.
We need to strive towards a better bureaucracy where there's no red tape, and we make sure that the children who come there get the facilities that they require.
First of all, I want to say this to you, Shaina. I completely object. You're saying this sounds great. 27 lives have been lost since January 2012. These are statistics. 1 minute. Statistics between 2009 and 2011 are not even available.
And let's work towards making sure this is not...
Children as young as 15 days old. 15 days old who do not have the money to go to a Kokilaben hospital and pay the money, they have died. I want to know which politician will come out and tell those parents, I'm sorry, we just didn't care enough to get this machine.
But Arnab, I'm going to that one single point which I'm making again and again. So many children have died. Who's culpable? And who's going to be punished for that? This is criminal. That is the question that I want an answer to. I don't want all these round talk going here, there, everywhere. Let's come to the point. Children have died. Who's responsible for it?
1 minute.
And what are we going to do about it?
If we do not act now, we will make sure that we never have a ray of hope. If we act now, we will make sure that this... That's exactly my point. So the waiting list, why have even a waiting list of 700? We need to bring it down. Irrespective of where these children are coming from, which part of the country, that is another issue. The issue is we need to have machines in place, we need to have doctors in place, and we need to make sure that this waiting list is...
I am asking you, I'm not putting the blame on you, but I'm putting this question out, and we are going to expose here at times now that this is not a Mumbai problem. As Dr. Devi Shetty told us this morning, every day, and I want to share this, every day it's 500 to 600 Indian children are born with congenital heart defects. Most of these are from poor families, many of them from poor families. Most of them go untreated. Now the politicians running this rich body knew that this hospital is the only hospital in the whole state of Maharashtra that is equipped to perform critical pediatric cardiac surgeries. The government and the politicians know that if you don't give this machine to this hospital, then children will die. And if they don't know that, it's terrible. They know it and still they don't get the machine.
In the PIL, they have questioned the state. They have questioned the state health department. They have questioned the municipal commissioner. They have questioned all the agencies, including the BMC. Clearly, there is a systematic failure which one needs to accept if we want to move ahead. Why do I talk about Dr. Devi Shetty? Because I think that's a role model that needs to be adopted here. We need to make sure we have systems in place in Mumbai. How does that happen? What is the road ahead? The road ahead is to make sure first that this waiting list period reduces. You were saying that, people go and they cannot be operated. Understand this is a very complicated surgery. The child has to be a certain weight. We need... No, 1 minute. We need to have specialized systems in place.
The children died because there was no machine.
This machine, we can only operate 1 to 2 cases every single day.
You can operate. 1 minute. You can operate
many more.
You can operate more if you have the machine.
That's exactly
what I'm saying. If you don't have the machine, you can't operate.
I am saying exactly the same. If you have more machines, then you can operate on more children.
Criminal negligence or not?
Absolutely, there needs to be a. What is this whole PIL? What are we discussing today? We are discussing there is not just one solution to this case. There is red tapeism, there is bureaucracy, there is a lack of budget, there is a.
No, there's no lack of budget. There is no lack of
if
budget.
If 70% of your budget is spent on just
there is
salaries,
no lack of
then
budget.
110 crore surplus.
There is no lack of budget.
Why can't the state help? Please tell me, are there not
there is
other
money
state?
here in the
There are
BMC.
other state hospitals also which
BMC
people
money,
can go
110
to.
crore is
People
there.
only come to KEM. This sounds very good in a debate, but children
No,
only
But it's
come.
a reality.
They are
You are trying to avoid
one
the
minute.
reality,
I am
just
not
going round
avoiding,
and
I am
round.
saying
Come
that
to the point.
the children who come to KEM hospital, why is it that from all parts of India people choose to come to only Mumbai and
Because
KEM
they-
hospital?
Arnab,
One
Arnab,
minute.
I need to.
The point
Well, if
is
it is
that
so
if
critical-
state
Arnab, I just need to say
hospitals,
something.
state hospitals,
if it is so critical,
whether it is a JJ
did the
hospital,
politicians know? Did the politicians know the importance of this hospital to give the
there
machine?
is an importance of every child. That is
why
exactly
was
my
the
point.
machine
We are
not got?
debating
Why
today
was
that
the
this
machine not
machine
got?
needs to be.
Why was
We
it
don't
not
need to
got?
have one machine. We need to have 10 such machines.
Why was it not
We
got?
need
Why
to
was even
have
one
10
machine not
such
got?
machines.
Why
You
was
need to
even one
question.
machine not got?
There is a huge question when it comes to bureaucracy,
Arnab,
red
can I
tapeism,
just say
tender
something?
process. All of that needs to be questioned. And if we were shying away from this, we would say that no, we just don't have the funds.
By the way,
There
I'll tell
are.
you this, China-
This is
Arnab,
China, I'm saying this with
health
Arnab,
is
this is-
priority.
this is-
Health is absolute
This is
priority.
amazing. We are not coming to the point. We are talking of everything, including Devi Shetty and the need for machines, and the children are dying. The point is that the children have been dying for a long period. The machines have not been brought. The money is still there. Who is culpable and what is the way ahead? Let's talk about that instead of going round and round and talking in the air. Let's talk specifics.
I want to know tomorrow because
I want specifics.
I want to know whether those politicians who have displayed a tremendous amount of all-party unity in defending the thrashing of a policeman will have the conscience to take a position on this. I hope they
We
spend
have
as much
taken the
time. And this
position
question is not just to the politicians. It goes across the country. This happens all over India. Wherever you are watching News Hour tonight, you must know this, that somewhere around you, the poorest of poor of Indian children are dying because of an absence of machines which can be bought. We have the money. Ask your local politician whether he cares enough. This is not about you, Shaina, but I think we need some institutionalized accountability in this case. We are going to follow this story, these horrific facts, not just in Mumbai, but we are going to follow it up across the entire country.